Night Sky Wonders. Best parks for stargazing from your RV. Imagine a night where the stars tell stories, constellations play hide and seek, and the Milky Way pours its splendor across the sky like a river of diamonds. For the RV enthusiast with a penchant for celestial wonders, certain parks across America offer not just a place to park your home on wheels but a gateway to the universe. These destinations, far from the glare of city lights, promise nights of awe under the cosmos. Here's a guide to the best parks for stargazing from your RV, where the night sky wows and every shooting star invites a wish. 1. Death Valley National Park, California. Known for its dramatic landscapes, Death Valley holds another, less earthly distinction. It's a gold-tier international dark sky park. Here, the low humidity and high elevation combine to unveil the night sky in all its glory. Stargazing spot. Harmony Borax Works offers a flat, expansive view of the sky with minimal light interference. RV tips. Furnace Creek Campground is RV-friendly and provides a comfortable base from which to explore the nocturnal beauty above. 2. Big Bend National Park. Texas Big Bend is one of the most remote parks in the United States, and its isolation is your ticket to some of the darkest skies in the country. The Milky Way here is so vivid, it can cast your shadow on a moonless night. Stargazing spot. The Chizos Basin, while somewhat enclosed by towering peaks, offers spectacular night sky views, especially of the southern sky. RV tips. The Rio Grande Village RV Campground, with full hookups, is your best bet for comfort and convenience while you chase the cosmos. 3. Cherry Springs State Park, Pennsylvania. This park might be small in size, but its reputation among stargazers is immense. Cherry Springs is famous for its 360-degree unobstructed view of the night sky, making it an astronomer's dream. Stargazing spot. The astronomy field offers an open sky view that's perfect for stargazing. It's a dedicated area just for this purpose, with a nightly fee. RV tips. While the park itself doesn't accommodate RVs, nearby Lyman Run State Park offers RV sites and is just a short drive away. 4. Natural Bridges National Monument. Utah is the first international dark sky park. Natural Bridges offers a celestial spectacle that's as monumental as its natural arches. The park's elevation and dry air provide crystal-clear nights perfect for stargazing. Stargazing spot. Awachomo Bridge, the park's most accessible natural bridge, presents a stunning frame for the Milky Way. RV tips. The park's campground is RV-friendly, though spaces are limited and offered on a first-come, first-served basis, so plan to arrive early. 5. Acadia National Park. Maine. Acadia's rugged coastline provides a dramatic foreground to the starlit skies above. The park's commitment to preserving natural darkness ensures a stellar show. Stargazing spot. Cadillac Mountain not only offers panoramic daytime views but at night becomes a platform for stargazing, with occasional ranger-led night sky programs. RV tips. Blackwoods Campground is just a short drive from Cadillac Mountain and accommodates RVs, making it an ideal spot to camp under the stars. Why should you stargaze at these particular parks? Unmatched beauty. Experience some of the most breathtaking night skies in the world, right from the comfort of your RV. Educational value. Learn about constellations, celestial events, and maybe even photograph the Milky Way. Peace and solitude. These remote locations offer a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life, where the only noise is the universe speaking in starlight. Community and connection. Many of these parks offer ranger-led programs and stargazing events, providing a chance to connect with fellow astronomy enthusiasts. Stargazing from these parks isn't just an activity, it's an experience that connects you to the vastness of the universe and the wonders it holds. It's a reminder of the beauty that lies beyond our everyday horizon, waiting to be discovered. So pack your telescope alongside your camping gear, and set off on an RV journey that takes you not just across the country, but across the cosmos.